Hey everybody, welcome. My name is Hamsack, and today we are doing a speed drawing. This is a little drawing I did of a Garrador from Resident Evil 4. I'll be doing some narrations here and there to kind of explain what I'm doing, but if you aren't interested, keep the volume low, I guess, and enjoy. In the future, I'll be doing more drawing videos, so if I don't cover something here, I'll be going over it at some other point, probably. But if you still have questions at the end of the video, please leave them down in the comments. I did a little bit of sketching and everything right before I started recording, so that's some stuff I'll go over in a different video. But to start out, this is kind of just tracing the sketch. Sometimes I might realize I forgot something, so I'll either just draw it in quickly on this layer, or I'll go back to the sketch layer and draw it in there before I trace it. There's pretty simple things to draw in and add, so I didn't really feel like it was necessary to go back to the previous layer. I'm pretty detail oriented when it comes to my artwork, so I add a lot of little things that aren't usually super necessary, and there's a lot of erasing and redrawing parts that I didn't add in this video just so we could move through it a little quicker. The way that I like to color my artwork is I will make a duplicate layer of the tracing, and then on that duplicate layer I will add all the colors to make it easier to fill everything in. After coloring it, that's when I start adding all the different shading, all the different lighting effects, stuff like that. With all the hash marks and shading and everything, I'll also add in some more details like battle damage, stuff like that. After a lot of shading comes more shading. And then little things like fixing up the lines, sharpening up edges, stuff like that. And then anything here and there that I might have missed, and then adding in some lighting here and there, all that fun stuff. That's pretty much it for this video, but I'll be doing a lot more videos like this in the future. And if you like what you saw, you want to hear more details or anything like that, let me know in the comments. And please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace. After a lot of shading comes more shading. And then little things like fixing up the lines, sharpening up edges, stuff like that. And then anything here and there that I might have missed, and then adding in some lighting here and there, all that fun stuff.